Welcome back. President Pratibha Patil has urged Goans to conserve nature for better ecotourism. She also advised state government to make Goa an education hub that can attract institutions of excellence.
Pratibha Patil is on her first visit to Goa since she became the President of India. She also shares her birthday on the 19th of December, the day Goa got liberated. President was offered civil reception by Government of Goa and other local self-governing bodies at NIO on Monday. This was her first public function in the state. At this gathering, she emphasized the need for better forest management. President stressed the need to upgrade tourism infrastructure and putting safety mechanism for tourists in place.
आदर्श तिथ्याची संस्कृती आणि सह्याद्री आणि अरबी समुद्राला आपल्या कवेमध्ये गोवणारं ते गोवा. I am sure that efforts would be made in this direction, along with work to conserve and preserve the unique natural environment of Goa, which can further promote ecotourism. More afforestation efforts should be undertaken in areas where mining has occurred.
President highlighted the need to make Goa an educational hub. President Patil is the first woman president of India. At a time when the debate is going on whether women should be part of combat mission on Indian Air Force, Pratibha Patil has decided to fly in Sukhoi combat aircraft.
And this has made all the women in our country proud. They feel proudness amongst themselves because of this action of our Rashtrapati ji, Pratibha Dev Singh Patil ji.
During this gathering, few MLAs and state ministers were present. However, BJP members did not show up on this function. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
After protests against the food park, villagers of Betul are now opposing the entry of mining in the village. IVA Industries has initiated attempts to set up a mine quarry in Betul.
The villagers of Betul are up in arms against the mining company's entry into their village. The company by name IVA Industries had written to the local panchayat asking NOC for a mining lease. Panchayat has denied NOC to the company. Convener of the Kunkoli Citizens Action Front, Dr. Johnson Fernandez, said that the state mining policy doesn't take care of such a situation. He charged that government wakes up only after people start agitating against the mining activities.
माइन्स पळय असतात त्यो माइन्स एक माइन उक्ती केली की ना तिका टायम आसता 20 वर्सां किंवा 25 वर्सां मायनिंग असल्या लगेच ती बंद करतात पूण दुसरी माइन चालू करतात हाका आमी म्हणटात सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट. आज आमचे कडेन बरी पॉलिसी ना. मायनिंग रिजेक्ट खंय उडोवपा म्हणटा ती पॉलिसी ना. पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड जर तरी कामच करना आशिल्लो तो आतां लोकांनी बॉल मारता की काम करपाक लागले. हे तर्फेन जर आमी गेले जायत जाल्यार आमचे कडेन कंट्रोल ना आनी कंट्रोल ना तेन्ना आमचे कडेन ह्यो फॅक्टरी चलोवपाक बऱ्या प्रमाणांनी आमचे कडेन जावपा ना.
Betul Panchayat has also pledged its support to the cause of the village.
आमकां मी दूख लागल्या की हिंगा आमी काडटात म्हूण पूण हांव आनी म्हजी सरपंच आनी पंच मेंबर सदांच फाटी सरपा नाय. जेन्ना तुमी आपयताय थिंगा आमी सदांच हाजीर लागतली.
Our reporter from Betul, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Harassment of party workers by BJP MLAs, if continues, will lead to nothing else but emergence of new Congress party. Saying this, Ashish Shirodkar, former president of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, has warned the local BJP leadership to put its house in order.
Ashish Shirodkar seems upset with the local MLA Francis D'Souza. He has said that harassment of party workers will lead to emergence of new Congress party. Speaking to Prudent, Shirodkar made his intentions clear that he is ready to join any party.
कार्यकर्ते जर आमदारांच्या डायरेक्शनाचेर जर डॅमेज जावपाक लागले जाल्यार दुसरी काँग्रेस जावपाक वेळ लागपाची ना.
There are murmurs that Ashish Shirodkar is planning to join Congress. Ashish says he was targeted by local BJP MLA for his close relationship with Health Minister Vishwadit Rane. Ashish has admitted this fact but has maintained that he was always loyal to BJP. Mapsa MLA Francis D'Souza says that the reason cited by Ashish is not genuine as he shares a very good personal relation with D'Souza.
हांव तेजें कारण जावंक शकना कित्याक म्हाज्या आनी तेजे मदें मतभेद कांयच ना. हालींच म्हाज्या वाडदिवसा दीस येयला म्हाका विश केला म्हाज्या वांगडा फोटो काडला सगळें केलां आनी मदींच तो म्हणटा म्हाज्या कारणा खातीर तो पक्ष सोडटा म्हणून. ताका कसले तरी कारण जाल्ले ते माझे एक कारण ताणें दिला. तो मनोहर पर्रीकार काय म्हणू शकनासलो आसलो, जावं श्रीपादाचे वायट उलोवंक शकनासलो. पूण म्हाका दिसता हांव ते एक तर स्केपगोट आसता न्हू, तसो ताका गावल्लो आहा. तेजे वयर हांव कांय सांगूंक शकना.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent Media.
Students of government primary and middle school at Chimbel were off the classes on Monday. Agitated parents strongly demanded Urdu teacher for the school. Crowd forced administration to keep classrooms closed.
The students of government primary and middle school Kilwada, Chimbal on Monday were seen loitering outside the classrooms. Parents of these children did not allow school administration to open the school. Parents had warned school management if they don't get Urdu teacher by Monday, then school will be not allowed to function.
वो बोले हमें सोमवार दिन हमें टीचर भेजेंगे. सोमवार दिन अभी हमें उधर बोल के आए थे आप सोमवार दिन टीचर नहीं भेजेंगे तो हम स्कूल नहीं खोलने को देंगे. तो वो नहीं भेजे. अभी हमें स्कूल बंद कर रखे. पूरे बच्चे स्ट्राइक कर रखे अभी हमें.
Parents also claim that due to absence of teachers, students quarrel. They also complain of shortage of Urdu teachers in the school.
आमकां टीचर ना, भुरगे एकटेच आसता स्कूलान. भुरगे थिंगा झगडटा हे करता ते करता. आमी येवन मॅडमीक सांगला, मॅडम कितें म्हणटा, हांव म्हाजे पळोवंक कितें ते भुरग्याचे पळोवंक. एक्चुअली उर्दू 7 टीचर, तेंच्यांनी 6 टीचरी धाडल्या. टीचर कमी पडटा म्हणून आमी लेटर 3 म्हयने जाले दिवन. ते लेटरान पासून आमी बरयला कितें तुमी तो टीचर धाडिना आमी स्कूल बंद दवरतले म्हणून ते लेटरान पासून दिल्ले आमी.
We spoke with the principal of school, Aruna Bhandari. She said that case has been reported to the concerned department.
One of the teacher has left for Hajj. 9th November till 23rd December she is on leave. Now the teachers are, students are without teachers. They have informed that they said on 16 they will send the teacher. But the week has passed, not teacher is come.
Hope this tangle between the school administration and parents does not take students for a ride. A video journalist from Panji, Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.